Here's a pair of Skullycandy Hesh ANC headphones. I'm going to show you how you can turn them on, turn them off, enter pairing mode, and perform a factory reset on the headphones, okay? So first thing, I'm going to tell you how to turn them on and off, okay? So you got the buttons here on the side here. Here's your power button here. So currently these are off. If I want to turn it on, I'm going to press and hold this button for a few seconds and wait till you see the light there. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. And it said power on, okay? And as soon as I powered on, I'm automatically in pairing mode. See, it's blinking blue and red rapidly. This is in pairing mode, okay? But let's just wait. Let me show you how to turn them off, to turn these off. Same thing with the power button. This time you want to press and hold for like 3 seconds. Just ready, go. Press and hold. And now it said power off. So let's go ahead and turn these back on. Press and hold the button. Just wait for the light to turn on. Power on, and it's blinking red and blue, so it's in pairing mode. So really quickly, let's just go to one of our phones, and I'll just use an iPhone for this example. So I'm going to go to settings here, I'm going to go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then other devices, it should show up down here, okay? So the headphones are still in pairing mode, it's blinking blue and red, and there's Hesh ANC. So let me tap on that right there. Okay, great. Now we're connected, okay? So now that we're connected here, okay, now let me go ahead and turn these off. Power off, it just said, okay. Now we're paired to the iPhone. Now let's say we want to go ahead and connect to an Android, my other phone, my Android phone, okay? So when I turn these back on, press and hold that power button again, press and hold. Power on. But it's not in pairing mode. It's not blinking rapid blue and red. Okay, that's probably because it's connected to my iPhone. So let's factory reset these now, okay? So we're just going to press 2 buttons, the power button and volume down together for about 3 seconds. Just wait till the light here turns purple a couple times, okay? Volume down, power. Ready, set, go. Beep, beep. Disconnected. Pairing. Back into pairing mode. Okay, so now we can go to our other device here, our Android phone, and I'll go to settings, connections, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and it's still in pairing mode, so it should show up under available devices. It's searching, and there it is, a Hesh ANC right there. Okay, now the thing is, and click on pair, so I'm paired now to the Android phone. Now if you want to connect back, let's say if I want to connect back to the iPhone, so if I wanted to connect it back to my iPhone now, I would have to go to settings, right? And then I see the Hesh ANC. Remember I was paired before? Now I have to go here and go down to forget this device. If you're on an Android and you got to forget the device, you would just simply tap like unpair, okay? So I would forget that device, and then I would do a factory reset. So it'll get off of my Android phone. And then once I do the factory reset, it'll go back into pairing mode automatically, and then I can go back here and reconnect, okay? Good luck, guys.